So, you're keen to unravel the mystery of logistics? Well, buckle up because you're in for an enlightening roller coaster ride. Imagine a world where your favorite gadgets, groceries, or even your precious coffee beans fail to reach your doorstep. Alarming, isn't it? This is where logistics, the unsung hero, swoops in. It's the invisible force that ensures your online shopping haul or the components of your shiny new phone travel thousands of miles to land right in your hands. It's what keeps the world's commercial wheels turning and ensures global trade doesn't skip a beat. Welcome to the incredible world of logistics. What is a simple definition of logistics? In its simplest form, logistics refers to managing the flow of goods and services from their point of origin to their final destination. From sourcing, transportation, warehousing, and inventory management to delivery, logistics covers all aspects of the supply chain. It involves a complex network of people, processes, and systems that work together to ensure products reach customers promptly and efficiently. In short, logistics is the connective tissue that ties businesses and consumers together. The critical components of logistics include transportation, warehousing, inventory management, and information systems. Transportation is a crucial aspect of logistics as it involves physically moving goods from one location to another. Whether by road, air, sea, or rail, logistics professionals must determine the most cost-effective and efficient transportation for each shipment. Warehousing is equally critical in logistics as it involves storing products until they are ready to be shipped or delivered. Proper warehousing management is essential to ensure the smooth flow of goods and avoid delivery delays. Inventory management is another crucial aspect of logistics, which involves keeping track of stock levels and ensuring enough inventory to meet customer demand. This requires accurate forecasting, planning, and communication with suppliers to maintain an optimal inventory level. Information systems are also a vital component of logistics as they help track and manage the flow of goods, providing visibility into every stage of the supply chain. By having a clear understanding of the inventory levels, transportation routes, and delivery schedules, logistics professionals can make informed decisions to optimize efficiency. What does a logistics person do? A logistics professional, also known as a logistician, manages the intricate process of getting products from suppliers to customers. They are involved in all supply chain stages, from planning and forecasting to transportation and delivery. Their main goal is to ensure that goods are delivered on time and at the lowest possible cost. Logisticians use their analytical and problem-solving skills to optimize transportation routes, minimize warehouse storage costs, and ensure timely product delivery. They also work closely with suppliers and customers to coordinate shipments and address any issues that may arise. In addition to these responsibilities, logisticians play a crucial role in risk management. They must anticipate potential problems, such as shipment delays or disruptions in the supply chain, and have contingency plans to mitigate these risks. Logistics professionals are essential in keeping businesses and positively running smoothly and customers satisfied. Without their expertise and attention to detail, the supply chain process would be chaotic and increase costs for both companies and consumers. So next time you receive a package on time, remember to thank your friendly neighborhood logistician. In addition to managing the supply chain process, logistics professionals play a vital role in the global economy. By optimizing transportation routes and minimizing costs, they contribute to the efficient movement of goods and promote international trade. This benefits businesses and positively impacts consumers by providing them access to a diverse range of products at competitive prices. Logisticians must also stay updated on industry trends and technological advancements to continuously improve their processes. With the rise of e-commerce, logistics has become even more crucial in ensuring the timely delivery of products to customers' doorsteps. This has led to the development of new technologies, such as automated warehouses and delivery drones, which logisticians must be familiar with to incorporate into their operation. Get ready to be thrilled. You're about to discover a revolutionary piece of tech that's sure to make your day-to-day operations smoother than a freshly paved highway. This isn't just another gizmo. This is the future of efficiency. So, are you ready to leap into the future of logistics? Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Stop the presses. Here's your golden ticket to the future of seamless shipping and logistics. Meet Motive. This isn't just a revolution, folks, it's a full-scale logistics rebellion. Are you tired of wading through mountains of paperwork? Sick of playing detective with your shipments? Motive is here to streamline your shipping process, making it as smooth as a jazz tune on a summer night. But wait, there's more. Imagine having real-time road and traffic insights that let you stay far ahead of the pack, eliminating those heart-stopping moments when unforeseen roadblocks appear. This isn't just the talk of the town. It's the talk of the industry. Why? Because Motive isn't a mere tool, it's your passport to a future of efficient, stress-free shipping. Join the revolution today and watch Motive catapult your business to new heights. Check out the link in the description for more info about Motive. For an engaging deep dive into the riveting world of logistics, don't forget to check out our previous video. Logistics versus supply chain management. While logistics and supply chain management are closely related, they have distinct roles within a business. Logistics focuses on the physical movement of goods and materials. At the same time, supply chain management encompasses a broader range of activities, such as sourcing, procurement, and production planning. However, logistics and supply chain management work hand in hand to ensure the smooth functioning of the entire supply chain process. Without effective logistics, supply chain management efforts would be limited and vice versa. This highlights the importance of collaboration and communication between these two departments. As technology advances, the logistics industry is also rapidly evolving. Automation, artificial intelligence, and data analytics are just some of the areas that logisticians are exploring to improve the efficiency and accuracy of their operation. Additionally, sustainability is also becoming a significant focus for logistics companies. With the increasing concern for the environment, more and more businesses are looking to reduce their carbon footprint and implement sustainable practices in their supply chain processing. Furthermore, as global trade expands, logisticians must adapt to new regulations and policies that govern international transportation and trade. This requires constant learning and staying up to date with changes in the industry. Craving more juicy tidbits on supply chain management? Our previous video is just what you need. Value chain versus supply chain. What are the differences? The terms value chain and supply chain are often used interchangeably, but they refer to different concepts. The value chain is a series of activities a business undertakes to create value for its customers. This includes everything from sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product or service. On the other hand, the supply chain is a network of organizations, people, activities, information, and resources involved in moving a product or service from its initial creation to its final destination. This can include suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and logistics companies. While the value chain focuses on creating value for customers, the supply chain is concerned with efficiently moving goods and services. Both are essential to ensuring a business's success but have different goals and strategies. If you're hungry for more insights into the fascinating world of supply chains, don't miss the chance to dive deeper with our previous video. Understanding logistics in business. Logistics is an integral part of the supply chain and is critical in ensuring business success. The main goal of logistics is to manage the flow of goods and services from their point of origin to their final destination while also optimizing costs and meeting customer demands. Efficient logistics can reduce business costs and improve customer satisfaction. This is because it involves planning, implementing, and controlling the timely and cost-effective movement of goods and services. Logistics also encompasses various aspects such as transportation, warehousing, inventory management, order fulfillment, and reverse logistics. It requires effective communication and coordination between all parties involved in the supply chain to ensure smooth operations. The logistics industry is a fascinating world, much like a game of chess, always strategizing, always planning. At its core, logistics refers to the management and flow of goods, from raw materials to finished products, throughout the entire supply chain. However, it's not just about moving things from point A to B. It involves so much more. First off, let's untangle the concept of logistics processes. These steps ensure your favorite products land on the store shelves or at your doorstep when you need them. It begins with demand planning. That's right, someone out there is forecasting what, when, and how much you might buy. Next on our list is logistics management. Now, this is the conductor of our logistics orchestra. It involves coordinating various elements such as transportation, warehousing, and inventory management. You might wonder what role distribution centers play here. They are the epicenter, ensuring that the products are stored and ready to be shipped or delivered. Speaking of inventory, it's not a guessing game of eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Nope, it involves keeping track of stock levels and ensuring that there are enough goods to meet customer demand. Trust us, there's nothing worse than an out-of-stock sign when you've been craving that special something. Now, to keep this logistics train running smoothly, information systems are employed. They track and manage the flow of goods, providing visibility into every stage of the supply chain. This allows the logistics professionals to make informed decisions and optimize efficiency. In essence, logistics services are all about getting the right products to the right place at the right time. And that, my friend, is the beauty and complexity of logistics. You might wonder what happens if something goes wrong. Well, that's where logistics troubleshooting comes into play. It involves identifying and resolving any issues or disruptions in the supply chain, ensuring that your favorite products still arrive on time. But wait, there's more. In recent years, sustainability has become a key focus in logistics processes. With environmental concerns and global warming, companies are turning towards sustainable practices in their logistics operations. This includes reducing carbon emissions, minimizing waste, and implementing eco-friendly transportation methods. While logistics is important, logistics plays a vital role in keeping the global economy running smoothly. It enables businesses to operate efficiently by ensuring their products are delivered to customers on time and at the right place. This helps companies maintain customer satisfaction and strengthens their competitive edge. In addition, logistics also plays a crucial role in reducing costs, optimizing inventory levels, and minimizing waste. It's safe to say that without logistics, the world as we know it would come to a standstill. Logistics also plays a crucial role in disaster relief efforts by ensuring that essential supplies reach affected areas quickly and effectively. In times of crisis, logistics professionals work tirelessly to coordinate with various organizations and agencies to deliver aid to those in need. In today's globalized world, logistics has become more complex due to increased international trade and e-commerce. This has led to the development of advanced technologies such as automation, artificial intelligence, and blockchain to streamline logistics processes. These innovations have revolutionized the industry by improving accuracy, speed, and cost-effectiveness. Furthermore, logistics is not only limited to the transportation of goods but also encompasses services such as warehousing, packaging, and inventory management. These services are critical in ensuring that products are stored properly and delivered optimally. With the rise of online shopping, there has been an increased demand for efficient last-mile delivery services, leading to the growth of companies specializing in this area. Final thoughts. So, whether you're buying your favorite book online or sending a gift to a loved one, take a moment to appreciate the magic of logistics that made it all happen. It's the silent, behind-the-scenes hero making our modern world tick, one delivery at a time. And with the dawn of exciting tech innovations, the world of logistics is only set to become more efficient and mind-blowingly cool. Thanks for sticking with us on this journey through the wonderland of logistics. Here's to the unsung heroes and the fascinating journey your packages embark on. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.